We gaze up at the sky and see a brilliant yellow sun. But what if it weren't yellow? Imagine waking up to a crimson sunrise or a sky bathed in the eerie glow of a green sun. It sounds like science fiction, but the possibility of our sun changing color is a fascinating thought experiment. The sun, the anchor of our solar system, isn't just a giant ball of fire. Its color, as we perceive it, is a product of its temperature and the way its light interacts with our atmosphere. A change in the sun's color, however subtle, would signal a fundamental shift in its properties. Such a change could have profound implications for life on Earth. From the food chain to weather patterns, our planet is finely tuned to the sun's energy and the specific wavelengths of light it emits. Even a slight shift in its color could disrupt this delicate balance. Join me as we delve into the heart of this cosmic mystery and explore the science behind the sun's color. Let's start with a surprising fact. Our sun isn't actually yellow, it's white. The yellow hue we perceive is a result of our atmosphere scattering sunlight, particularly the shorter wavelengths like blue and violet. This scattering effect paints the sky blue and makes the sun appear yellow, especially at sunrise and sunset. The sun's true color, white, is a manifestation of its surface temperature, around 5,500 degrees Celsius. This intense heat causes the sun to emit a wide spectrum of light from red to violet, which we perceive as white light. As the sun ages, it gradually gets hotter and brighter, shifting towards the blue end of the spectrum. These changes happen over immensely long timescales, far beyond human lifespans. It's fascinating to think that the familiar yellow sun we see today won't always be so. The cosmos is a canvas of colors, and stars are its most dazzling brushstrokes. From fiery red giants to cool blue supergiants, the color of a star tells us a lot about its age, mass, and ultimate fate. Stars don't randomly change their color. These transformations are driven by complex astrophysical processes. As a star ages, it consumes the hydrogen fuel in its core, causing its core to contract and heat up, while its outer layers expand and cool. This process can shift the star's color towards the red end of the spectrum, turning it into a red giant. Cosmic events like supernovae or stellar mergers can also alter a star's color, releasing tremendous amounts of energy. The sun is a relatively stable star, and it's highly unlikely to undergo any drastic color changes in the foreseeable future. But the possibility, however remote, serves as a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our universe. Let's indulge our imaginations for a moment. What if, hypothetically, our sun were to change color? What would happen to Earth? If the sun were to become slightly redder, it would emit less energy in the blue and violet wavelengths, potentially disrupting photosynthesis in plants. This disruption could ripple through the food chain, affecting herbivores and ultimately, carnivores like us. A bluer sun would emit more energy in the ultraviolet range, increasing risks of skin cancer and other UV-related health issues. These are just a few examples, and the actual consequences of a sun color change are far more complex and interconnected. It's a reminder of the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. The profound influence our star has on our planet is undeniable. The possibility of a sun color change, while daunting, also presents an opportunity to marvel at the adaptability of life. Despite the potential challenges, life on Earth is remarkably resilient. Organisms have an incredible capacity for adaptation, as evidenced by the diversity of life in extreme environments like deep-sea vents and polar ice caps. If the sun were to change color, life on Earth wouldn't necessarily vanish. Instead, it would likely adapt over time. Plants might evolve different pigments to absorb the altered wavelengths of light. Animals might develop new protective mechanisms against increased UV radiation. The human capacity for innovation and problem-solving shouldn't be underestimated either. The possibility of a sun color change presents an opportunity to marvel at the adaptability of life and our own potential to overcome challenges. As we conclude our cosmic journey, we're left with a sense of awe and wonder. The sun, our constant companion, is but one star in a vast and diverse universe. Its color, a product of its temperature and the laws of physics, is a reminder of the intricate workings of the cosmos. The possibility of our sun changing color underscores the dynamic and ever-evolving nature of the universe. So the next time you look up at the sky and see the familiar yellow sun, take a moment to appreciate its beauty and significance. Our universe is full of wonders, and the more we explore, the more we realize how much more there is to discover.